cafeteria.
Dish plates in the sink.
Bookmarks in the browser.
Crayons in the paper.
Clapboards at the studio.
Rulers in the classroom.
Stickers in the shop.
Well met.
Radishes in the kitchen.
Feathers from the birds.
Slippers in the floor.
Beetroots in the amaranth.
Fruits in the instrument.
Pills at the pharmacy.
Lawnmower on the grass. Milkshake on the table.
Accordion in the instrument.
Detergents in the restroom.
Sponges in the soap.
Guitar in the house.
Roses in the garden.
Violets in the pot.
Dress in the skirt.
Trophy at the stadium.
Roses in the land.
Clams in the sea.
Folder in the paper.
Plastic from the aesthetic.
Otters in the forest.
Seahorse in the bay.
Waffles in the house.
Donkeys in the farm.
Weasels in the forest.
Songs in the playlist.
Balloons in the sky.
Light bulb in the lamp.
Pancakes in a plate.
Sausage in the kitchen.
Living to tell the tale.
Cake is for birthday.
Emeralds in the cave.
Bed in my room.
Ascension counted.
Paint in the brush.
Popcorn is a snack.
Pillow in the blanket.
Meaning of your life.
Silver in the iron. Pigs in the mud.
Xylophone in the instrument.
Dogs in the park.
Clowns in the circus.
Garnet in the cosmetic. Noodles in the box.
Pigeons in the planet.
Toy in the box.
Ramen in the bowl.
Amethyst in the cluster.
Cucumbers in the bag.
Seagulls on the beach.
Ink in the pen.
Blackberries in the box.
Pelicans in the sea.
Peacocks in the farm.
Maple in the syrup.
Corals in the underwater.
Sushis within the wasabi.
Shrimps in the plate.
Acorn in the chestnut.
Blackcurrants from the basket.
Ostriches in the desert. Popsicles in the freezer.
Quails in the breeze.
Foams in the floral.
Lotions at the bathroom.
Leaf in the plant.
Grasses in the lawn. Mist in the forest. Almonds in the tree. Candies in the bag.
Cashews on the tree.
Gingers in the kitchen.
Candles in a wax.
Hay at the barn.
Vine in the sauce.
Quartz in the mines.
Groceries in the supermarket.
Sound with the music.
Wishes do come true.
Boomer in the hotel.
Phone in the device.
Laptop on the table.
Happy days in life.
Games on the Xbox.
Glass in the window.
Mails in the mailbox.
Wood on the steel.
Glue in the desk.
French fries in the Eiffel Tower.
Hot dog in the amusement park. Happiness in my face. Cheese in the burger.
Console in the Nintendo.
Buckets from the KFC.
Walk straight towards the door.
Mango in the basket.
Pencil in the case.
Sprite as a soda.
Ice in the snow.
Taco from the bell.
Pieces in the puzzle.
Pen in the notebook.
Soup in a can.
Present gifts on the birthday.
Football in a field.
Basketball in the hoop.
1 is a number.
A is a letter.
Coca-Cola in a bottle.
Disk in my computer.
Cookie in the jar.
Baseball in the bat.
Ice cream in the truck.
Cereal in the box.
The slice of life.
Tape in the dispenser.
Tsunami on the horizon.
Starfish in the Atlantic Ocean.
Ship on the river. Whales in the Pacific Ocean.
Submarine in the lake.
Jellyfish in the Gulf.
Ducks from the pond. Octopus in the aquarium.
Treasure in the chest.
Squids from the ink.
Sharks in the ocean.
Donuts in the shop.
Spiders on the web.
Stapler in the paper.
Fish in the sea.
Magic in the wand.
Owls in the night.
Golf in the club.
Water on the hill. Leopards in the wildlife.
Blueberries in the forest.
Dices in the board.
Steam in the engine.
Mountain on the ocean. Beef on the grill.
Magnet on the refrigerator.
Let's get some action. Camera in the photo.
Polar bears in the glacier.
Books in the library. Permission advised.
Vacuum in the cleaner.
Shovels on the dirt.
Raspberries in the bush.
Fire in the hole!
Trees in the forest. Television on the table. Rice on the grill.
Coal in the forest.
Flush in the toilet.
Tea in the mug. Remote in the sofa.
I've got the time. Boxes in the attic.
Curry in the stove.
Coins for sale.
Weather predicted.
Pistachios in the flavor.
Tennis in the bracket.
Scissors in the drawer.
Eggs in the basket. Pickle in the jar.
Fossils in the museum.
Flower in the plains.
Energy in the area.
Pineapple in the picnic. Dinosaurs in the Jurassic.
News of the lands.
Honeycomb in the honey. Flanger in the cup. Hyenas in the jungle.
Paper in the cave.
Horse in the race.
Bicycle in the steers.
Motorcycle in my home.
Rock on the ground. Needle in the dirt.
Typing on the keyboard.
Lemurs in the forest.
The neighbor next door.
Cows on the hill.
Skateboards in the house.
One in the shoe.
Defender of the innocent.
Wire in the metal. Hot peppers in the refrigerator. Look on the door.
Air in the sky.
Pollen through the nose. Snakes in the forest. Traffic in the light.
Wind from the landscape.
Fly in my home. Lions in the field. Nature on the tree.
Snow on the mountain.
Concrete in the building.
Lemonade at the stand.
Toothpastes in the toothbrush.
Love my mouth.
Mushroom in the dish. Roast from the barbecue.
Aurora in the sky.
Pressure in the volcano.
Lego in the brick. Scorpions in the bunker.
VHS tape in the VCR. Moron in the valley.